Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and in this video we are going to mount Mega in Google Colab. Okay, so just open up Google Colab link and download the notebook from the description. Okay, so here's we have Google Colab. I have already mounted my Google Drive here, and we are just going to mount Mega. So open up this link, okay, and you just have to see the version of the rclone. Okay, just copy the version from here, and you just have to paste the version right here in these three places, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and just execute this cell. Now it is downloading and installing the rclone into this Google Colab. It's done. Now you have to authenticate Mega, so just config the rclone for mounting Mega. Just type N to create a new remote, press enter. Just name it Mega or anything else, press enter. Now you have to look at the number in front of Mega, that's a 21. Okay, so you just have to type 21 here, press enter. Now you have to type the username, I mean the email address associated with your Mega drive. Okay, type it and press enter. Now just type your user password. For typing that, you just have to type Y and press enter at first. Okay, and now you just have to type your password, press enter, and you have to confirm the password also, so type it again and press enter. Now it's saying whether you want to edit the configurations. Just type N and press enter. Now type Y, press enter, and just type Q and press enter. Okay, so now we have just created the configuration Mega. All right, now just have to execute this cell, third one, to mount it in the Mega folder right here. Okay, and if you refresh here, you can see that we have the Mega folder and the files and folder inside it, right? So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.